In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Intelligence on iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Apple Intelligence was released some months ago, and it is essentially designed to enhance the user experience. You can use it to ask questions, do requests, and it uses Siri as well to help you better utilize the features available on your smartphone. So this will become available if you update to iOS 18. However, something that I need to make very clear is that as it stands today, besides iOS 18, which you can get easily, this will only work for the iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. So it seems like the standard iPhone 15 model will not receive Apple Intelligence. Keep that in mind. For this video, I'm going to be giving you the instructions and you are welcome to try, but it seems like the standard model of the iPhone 15 will not receive Apple Intelligence. If you have the Pro or the Pro Max, then you can follow these steps and you will be guaranteed to get Apple Intelligence. So all that you have to do is first perform the update to iOS 18. If you are already on iOS 18, then you can skip this. Go into the settings, access the general category, and you will find software update. In here, see if you were selected for the iOS 18 beta or the public release when it is fully released, and you will be able to get this update started. After you finish updating to iOS 18, you can now head over to the settings once again, and below the general category, you will find Apple Intelligence. So you might see a pop-up like this, tap continue if you want to read through all of the features. And like I said, under the general settings, the new category will be Apple Intelligence and Siri. In here, just enable it. If you don't have access right away, just request the access. And another thing to note is that if for whatever reason this isn't working, make sure that the region on your iPhone and Siri is set to the US. So this will only work if the region of your device and Siri is properly configured to the US. And after you change the region accordingly, Apple Intelligence will now become available for iOS 18 devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Intelligence on iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.